Hi guys, welcome back to my new vlog. And today is Thursday, and I will be recording my day. So now I will be watching a lecture of continuity and differentiation because I need to learn how to write answers in board exams because I really don't know. And I downloaded a PDF from Google and I saw the solutions, but they were so big, like 2 page of one question. Dude, am I stupid? Who is going to learn that? यार मैं ब्लॉग बना रही थी, ये देख नहीं रहा तू? अपनी आवाज कम कर, स्टूपिड. He's just doing the phone. This is what he's actually doing. Look at his phone. Whatever, let's just start studying. Let me take you all through my Thursday. Okay, so I studied for a while. Obviously, I am not that obedient that I study for continuous amount of hours. No, I literally got distracted so many times. But yeah, I understood so many things which I did not in my class in coaching, which is a plus point. And I am watching a lecture side by side. I am also reading the notes from all in one. So I have 3 exams this month. One is on 5th of July, then I guess it's on 11th and then 16th. And I am not really studying for the exam on the 5th of July because the syllabus is huge and I have to cover all this stuff for my boards as well. And ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे आता नहीं है. I know a lot of things from that syllabus. So I'll just start revising 3 तारीख से and I'll focus more on the 11th July वाला exam rather than this because of same syllabus 3 exam तो चलता है. And yeah, बिकॉज आई नो कि 3 दिन में मेरी 5 वाले एग्जाम के लिए उतनी ज़्यादा प्रिपरेशन मेरी हो नहीं पाएगी. सो वाई टू वेस्ट मोर टाइम. ओके, आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन 11th वाला एंड ये 3-4 दिन लेट मी जस्ट गिव इट टू ये करंट चैप्टर्स. तो मेरी कोचिंग में भी करंटली यही चल रहा है, तो वहाँ पे भी आई बी एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एंड मेरा बोर्ड के लिए भी हो जाएगा. सो आई यूज अ लिटिल ब्रेन ऑफ माइंड एंड आई डोंट नो इफ दैट्स राइट और रॉन्ग. आई डोंट नो. So it's 2:30 right now, 2:40, and I guess I'll continue studying till 3 or 3:15. Then I'll go to sleep. So see you all in the morning, and I guess I look a little pretty. ये सब रात में ही होता है, दिन में I look like a ghost. Whatever. See you all in the morning. Good night. Guys, I was supposed to wake up early, but guess what? No one woke me up, and मैं 1:30 सो के उठी थी. What a bad start of the day. The weather is so pretty. ठीक है, मेरी मम्मा बता रही थी लाइक इट रेन्ड सो हैवीली जब मैं सो रही थी, पर मैं इतनी ज़्यादा गहरी नींद में थी ना, मुझे भनक भी नहीं लगी कि इतनी तेज़ बारिश हुई है. बट राइट नाउ द वेदर इज़ सो प्रिटी. ठंडी ठंडी हवा, नो धूप, वेरी वेरी प्लीजेंट मौसम एंड हल्की हल्की बारिश. इट लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई फील सो कामिंग. तो मैं बालकनी में बैठ के अपना चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. My hairs always makes me look pretty. Like my hairs just make my day. Like every time I blow dry them and style them, I feel like a princess. Let's just have some snacks. I am having burgers and pudding. मेरा burger का है मम्मा? We gonna have a burger and a pudding. What a day! I am loving my day.
अजीब जानवर है, कितना भी खाए भूखा ही रहता है.
I love this thing. This is the best thing that I have ever had in my life in flavor chocolate. Like, and this is the best burger I have ever had. Like,
So I was scrolling through my channel, okay, and I was watching my old videos, and I saw I literally put 10% of my efforts that I'm doing right now, and the growth was so good, and that now I am putting my all, my time in editing, my time in vlogging, everything. It is just nothing. It just pisses me off. But I improved a lot. I noticed my way of talking, everything, editing style, my looks. I literally grew up with this channel. Like, I am so happy. I wish to get that growth back I used to have back then in my 10th grade, because this pace of mine deserve that growth now. I wish. YouTube, listen to my guts, please. Listen to me. You better do it. Guys, I am finally done studying, and I don't know how many times I have said that I am so happy. Like, literally, I am so happy. And one more thing to my happiness, that कल मेरी coaching की फिर से छुट्टी है Friday. Now I'll just close my books. I will enjoy. ये उन दिनों की बात है. I am on the last few episodes, and I love this drama so much, guys. Like, dude, this is the best Indian show I have ever watched. Otherwise, I don't like Indian shows. Okay, so yeah, I'll edit my video while watching. Yes, मैं सोने जाऊंगी, मैं सोने जाऊंगी, मैं पागल हूँ. That's it for the vlog, guys. I will see you all very soon in my next vlog. Also, I really don't have many topics to make vlog on, so you guys are totally free to give me any challenge in my comment section. It is open for you all, and yeah, I will select few of them and will try to complete those in my upcoming videos. So yeah, I will be waiting for your comments. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Points to remember: don't forget to smile, love your friends and family, and most importantly, love yourself and enjoy your life to the fullest.